Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas and representation ideas. Let's fill glass jar with salt or artificial snow. Add a small tea lights candle or fairy lights inside. Wow. And red ribbons around. And it's slow like a tiny winter wonderland. Spin and candle jar. And place a small candles in the jar adorned by beans and red berries and a few drops of oil for a warm Christmas ornaments jar. Fill your jar with colorful mini ornaments, golden beads or fairy lights. Close the lid and try a festive ribbon instantly spark for your table. Ribbon. Ribbon and bow jar. Warp the jar complete with red ribbon and tie a bow on top. Add small bell or pins for a classic farmhouse style decoration. Candied jar centerpiece. Fill your jar with candies. And peppermint candies or mushrooms. Add a ribbon on top. Cute, colorful, festive decorations. And your viewers. Mini Christmas jar. Creative tangerine tray inside a small tray fixed up and here close the mat and tie a ribbon. It's like your own handmade snow globe fruits. These are fairy lights jar centerpiece. Fill jar with warm white fairy lights. Place 3 or 4 together on a tray with pins for a glowing dreamy centerpiece. So we will center jar. Paint the jar red and add a black ribbon there and glue a gold